But did you know that you can actually reuse these PEX fittings? All you need is this tool right here. I'm gonna snap it as it butterflies open and the PEX comes right off. So this tool will save you in the long run. So everybody knows how to do PEX, but did you know if you made a mistake, let's just say I have this piece right here and I cut it too short or it wasn't the right fitting, that you can actually reuse these PEX fittings? Let me show you how. All you need is this tool right here. The first thing you're gonna do to reuse this elbow, take a cutter and you're gonna cut it back as close as you can. Same on this side too, I'll do it here. You're gonna take this piece here and you're gonna put it on the inside and you're gonna actually snap that PEX ring. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna loosen it, spin it around to the other side and squeeze and watch as the crimp ring butterflies open. The crimp ring opens right up. I can take this part right off and the PEX comes right off. And I know I got one more to do, so I can show you again. So what makes this tool different than your average cutter is that on one side, it's got a really sharp blade, but on the other side, it's just flat, no blade. It's designed specifically that when you cut it on one side, it doesn't fully compress, so it's not gonna slice all the way through, but it's just tight enough that when you go onto this side and squeeze with the PEX around it, it's gonna butterfly that PEX ring open that you'd never be able to do by yourself. Like I said before, to get this fitting off, all you're gonna do is take this tool, put the head down there, and I'm gonna snap it like this. Snapped. Then I'm gonna loosen it, flip it around, put it onto the other side. Now watch as it butterflies open. Sorry, I'm shaking because I'm squeezing pretty hard. But now it's loose. I can let go of that. The ring will come off. Sometimes you need some pliers. Here comes the ring. You can wear it. The PEX come right off. Now, you got a nice ring and you saved yourself a couple bucks. You can reuse it and try again many times as you want. There's a trick you didn't know. So this tool will save you money in the long run. Check it out.